Magandang araw po sa lahat. Today, we are conducting the turnover of the project, A Higher Path, Safer Path, here in Maytalang Elementary School in Lumban, Laguna. This is a project of Emil Willier, Tuhomet Calagon, and Emil Cares Foundation. Ang proyektong ito ay nabuo bilang tugon sa problema ng paaralan, kung saan ang pathway ay madalas na nalulubog sa baha tuwing tag-ulan, causing danger to both our students and our teachers. Sa pamamagitan ng proyektong ito, we now have a higher, safer pathway na magagamit araw-araw, especially during the rainy season. Ipinapakita nito na even through simple initiatives, we can greatly improve the safety and well-being of our learners.
Project really will benefit the learners, the 314 learners of this school na hindi na po sila luluson doon sa baha. Kasi pantay na po yan, dire-diretso na.